Hey guys, what's up? So today is May the 26th. It's 3:40 p.m. and we are sitting here trying to brainstorm what can we do to tell our bridal party that they're in the wedding. We thought about everything, having a dinner, just doing something in our basement, just having a game night, doing something on our deck. I don't know, but everything was just so like generic to me. It's like stuff that we do. First of all, I look a mess because this video is impromptu. I look a mess in all these videos, so y'all just gonna have to get used to it. But yeah. So we've been trying to figure out what can we do to tell our bridal party that they're in it. What can we do to tell our friends, you know, like in a fun, cool way that they're in a wedding. Of course, half of them already know that they're in a wedding. I guess they just suspect it. But we definitely still want to like formally ask them. So I think I got it. I came up with a field day, like an adult field day. That's like not your typical, you know, like this not your typical dinner party type of thing. Like we always have dinner parties and like, I don't know, I just want to be more active. Like we need to get up, we need to start moving. It also has been kind of like a competition thing. Like every time my friends, which is the girls, we see my fiance Tom, his friends, they always like, oh yeah, his bachelor party gonna be better than yours. Like all y'all want to do is sleep. Like y'all so boring. So like I think this will be like a fun, friendly competition. Like so if we do like a field day, we just play like games, competitive games, do stuff like, what you do at field day? Mother freaking hopscotch, potato sack race, dodgeball, kickball, jump rope, just like everything that you can do at a freaking field day. So I told Tom and he was like, he guessed that's cool. So that's what we're gonna do. So right now I'm sitting here and I'm trying to make an invitation. So far it just says adult field day, play like a kid with adult drinks. So yeah, I'm trying to make my little flyer invitation and get this together. I also have another document that I've been working on, and it is like my bridesmaid breakdown. Y'all gonna see more of this when I show y'all exactly what I'm gonna give to my bridesmaids as like a gift, saying like, will you be my wedding? Thank you for being my wedding, you know, type of stuff like that. But it's just like a little template that I have like pictures of the breakdown of the dress, the colors, the date, your nails, your hair, just all that other stuff. I'm in some bridal groups on Facebook, and these people literally have so many ideas on there. So I got this little idea from them. But right now I'm working on the flyer for our little field day, and then I'll come back when it's done. Hey y'all, so right now I'm at Staples. I'm getting the cards printed for the bridal party. So I have these little cards that I'm trying to get printed out. These just gonna take a while, so I'll probably be here for a minute, but yeah, I'm getting stuff done. Update, I'm still here. Been here for like an hour and a half. Probably about an hour and a half. Yikes. First of all, that took forever. I'm finally in a car 2 hours later, probably 2.5 hours later. But I got what I needed done, and they printed it today, which was perfect. And when I tell y'all the man looked out on the price, like he literally looked out on the price. I literally printed every single thing that I needed to print. So for the boxes, everything is kind of done. Like I don't really have much to do left for the boxes. Tom does need to get some cigars for the men's boxes, but other than the cigars, we got everything. But it's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. y'all, so right now I'm about to put the boxes together for the bridal party. And for the guys boxes, we have these cigar holders that I got off Etsy. It just says, thank you for being my best man, thank you for being my groomsman. And here are the cigars that we got for them. So I'm just going to tie these cigars on there. We also got some socks for the men with their names on them and their role, and also the wedding date. Groomsman Troy 7/2/2022. We also got a card that says, I know of a great party with an open bar on July 2022. And Brandon, I can't say I do without you. Will you be my groomsman? I got these from Etsy. We also got some candy. I just got this from the 99-cent thing in Walmart. We have pictures, like old throwback pictures. Tom, Drake, and Carlos. Everybody at our engagement. Drake is that's so funny. So yeah, Drake and Tom. We have some Belaire Rosé, cause y'all know we love Belaire, so we can't do it without Belaire, of course. What else? I feel like there's something else in these boxes. That may be it. Okay, now for the women's boxes, I have Belaire Rosé, more pictures, throwback pictures. That's me and Peggy in college. That's in my engagement. We have candy for this also. We have some more cards. I can't say I do without you. And then that road said like Bridesmaid. Oh shoot, I gotta write something inside. I ain't even know. We have socks for the girls too. Bridesmaid, maid of honor. I got these from Etsy. We have slippers. And I got these from Nordstrom. I don't even know if they'll fit inside of the box, hopefully. And that's it. Bridal party to be in our wedding. They keep trying to get me for my soul. I didn't want to do the typical dinner, so of course it's a pool party. It's adult field day.
Y'all are a big part of our lives, and obviously we're going to this next stage in our lives. So of course we wanted y'all to be a part of this next stage in our lives. So I guess we'll let y'all open the boxes and
Yes, we would like for y'all to be a part of our bridal party. Oh so, my gosh, what? I hope you guys are ready.
Did y'all know?
Did not know.
Did y'all know?
Did y'all know?
Oh
my
God,
really.
I'm so
Did y'all supposed to be adult field day? Did you know?
Exactly.
You thought it was what?
Adult field day.
If you do this idea, please tag me. Like, tag me, because y'all don't know how long it took me to come up with this. So if you do this, please tag me on Instagram so I can repost it. Send me some of y'all videos through the DM. And yeah, I hope you guys' bridesmaid and groomsmen proposals go perfect just like mine did. And stay tuned for more wedding planning. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.